That's what it looks like when the nigga is in distress. Trying to scramble for that damn thing. Yeah, that's what it is, nigga. I know. This is a 90, what, Chris, 93? This is a 93 classic until you get to the front of that bitch. Yes, sir, it is. When that shit go wrong. Think you want to sing a song. I know you do. But we ain't going to do that to Philip Clark. As you can see, he got that plumber going on. Yeah, he got that plumber. Oh, look at him. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous, nigga. What is this? What are you looking for? Huh? What are you looking for, buddy? What are you looking for? Huh? For change? You looking for change?
I'm hot, man. I'm looking for my insurance. My insurance.
Obviously, Kendrick stole his CD player. That's what that all boils down to. This is Vince Johnson signing off. Thank you very much.